والله استانس هو اتوقع هيك خلاص تم يطلع.
They can now even set up a prank.
Oh no.
As people have always been saying, like owner, like cat. The joy of a cat raiser is just as simple as this. I swear cats have such amazing bodies. Good posture, good distance, and that's a good jump. Or not. Nurturing the cat is an adventure with full of ups and downs. The most memorable lessons are often paid by such high prices. Wow, even in Antarctica, I can hear those slaps. Not always do you have such a reliable supporter like this buddy. Cat's curiosity always makes it suffer a lot, yet they don't care at all. What? Uncle Roger? Oh, it's not. Phew. What a relief. Believe me, all cats want to see things collapse. It seems to not go as planned, huh? This boy looks quite handsome. Okay, I choose you. Maybe all he wants to know is what's inside your hand. A never-ending game. If it's the way you show your ego, then don't, buddy. Always think about the risk before trying to do anything, or else this happens. When you find out your lover cheats, others gossiping doesn't matter anymore. Never interrupt a cat when its mind is somewhere else.
What in the f is in my back seat?
When we were young, we didn't have much experiences. Life of a lonely cat seems tedious. Bro literally plays yo-yo with its own tongue. Looks like someone did have a good sleep. This is me after waking up too early. Every kid when they play with water. The thief had himself an escape plan. What did she tell me to go buy? Never mind, we'll have sausage for dinner. Its soul is desperately asking for adventures.
You have a smooth brain.
Thinking out of the box, kitty.
Valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth brain, smooth.
Oof, I'm glad that he doesn't have a twin brother. Shortly, impossible.
Please!
That's not so much the way to approach a girl, boy. Thanks for watching and see you soon.